because the window is closing quickly, and we all know, I mean, this is a hell of a weapon.
Yeah.
If you know how to use it, and it can save you time, money, give you speed. It's exciting. It can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be.
Yeah. Right.
So automations are, and I've heard you refer to it in this, and I've used this analogy, but like AI by itself is a brain in a box, right? It actually doesn't do much. It still requires you to do it. But when you bring in automation, and some people are familiar with automation, they've used tools like Zapier, Make.com, etc. These are programs that let different programs talk to each other. It's real simple. Like, if this trigger happens, then do this action. That's the most basic automation.
Yep.
So when you start to think about the things that you do manually, whenever you're doing a task, like I do this first, then this, then this, then this. Now, AI can do a lot of it can do the ideation of what topic should I do, and you can build an automation, which is a series of steps that says, you still need to trigger it. You might need to say like go. You might need to push a button, and then it will go. You can have it, and we built these, right? Go research this topic, find the top 10 keywords, populate this little database. The database could be an Airtable, it could be a Google Sheets. It doesn't matter.